Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this text box and here you will find this three dot option. Click here. Now click this edit option. Now again double click on this text box and press Ctrl A, select whole text or select a specific text, dragging your mouse. Now click this three dot option and here we will find this align option. Here we can align, center align, see this is right align, this one justify align, also you can middle this text and see this, you can bottom this text, also you can top. Yeah, in this way you can align your text as you like. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.